Thank you, Ma'am Gloria. Our most honored guest, ASEC Christopher Morales of the Department of Tourism, representing Secretary Cristina Garcia Frasco. Our beloved Governor, Aris Omintado, represented by Provincial Administrator Astor Cabarte. Congressman Edgar Chato. Vice Governor Victor Balite, represented by DJ Balite. Our honorable board members, Board Member Benji Arcamo, Aldner Da Valerio, and Gloria Jimentisa. Ang atong pinanggang mayor, the youngest and first lady mayor of Tagbilaran City, Mayor Jane Yap. Kauban sa iyang kapikas, ang atong kanhi mayor, the brainchild of Saulog Tagbilaran, Sir Chief Baba Yap. Most Reverend Aben Uy, honorable city councilors, barangay officials and barangay captains led by Liga President Honorable Mary Jane Ruiz, SK officials headed by SK Federated President Honorable Jose Floro Rinca, City Hall department heads, employees, staffs led by City Administrator Cathy Torimocha, Chief of Police, Police Lieutenant Colonel Reggie Rial, our City Fire Marshal, Fire Inspector Ben Brad Pitt Lopez, the breathtaking ladies of the Mutya sa Tagbilaran, friends from the media and the academe, our lovely students, na-check na ba ang atong attendance? Our friends and partners from the different sectors of society, honored guests, visitors, ladies and gentlemen, mga igsuon kong Tagbilaranon, maayong gabi kanatong tanan. It is my honor and pleasure to welcome each and every one of you today on the occasion of the 450th Blood Compact Commemoration Program and Saulog Tagbilaran Grand Launching. In behalf of the people of Tagbilaran, I extend my warmest welcome to all of you who has graced us with your presence in this very significant activity as we treasure our history as a people and commemorate today the Blood Compact which has defined us as a city of peace and friendship. At the same time, we officially launch the Saulog festivities and kickstart a 2-month-long series of exciting programs and enjoyable activities which begins today. Since its inception, Saulog Tagbilaran has become a cherished tradition of the Tagbilaranons. It has become an avenue to showcase not just to our province or the entire Philippines, but also to the whole world our colorful culture, the beauty of our city, the talent and hospitality of the Tagbilaranons, and ultimately, the greatness of our beloved city. For I believe with all my heart that my hometown, my birthplace, ang atong pinanggang dakbayan sa Tagbilaran is the greatest city in the entire world because we have the greatest people. And we are all proud to say to the entire world, taga Tagbilaran, Tubay. And that is what we are truly celebrating today. Mao kini ang tinuod nato nga gisaulog. We celebrate as a united people, united in our relentless love for our city, united in our passion to excel, to give pride to our city, and united in our vision to make this city better. We celebrate as a resilient, peaceful, friendly, and God-fearing people who has overcome tremendous adversities and challenges throughout the years. We have upheld the values that has defined us as Tagbilaranons despite the trials and tests of time. Ang atong panagigsuunay, pagtinabangay, o pagsakripisyo para sa isig katao, being selfless amidst hardships and difficulties. We celebrate who and what we are as a people today more than ever. We also celebrate our city's leaders, Mayor Jane Yap, former Mayor Baba Yap, and our City Hall family for propelling Tagbilaran City to greater heights with their vision and dedication to public service. Daghang salamat, Mayor Jane, former Mayor Baba, and to all the city's public servants. We celebrate our partners in the national government, and today we are very honored by the presence of ASEC Christopher Morales of the Department of Tourism. Thank you, sir, for giving importance to our city. We also celebrate our strong partnership with the provincial government, Governor Aris, Vice Governor Balite, and to the ever-supportive Congressman Edgar Chato. Daghang salamat sa inyong suporta, kauban mo sa tanan kalampusan nga makabot sa siyudad sa Tagbilaran. Magsaulog ta kay bulahan ang atong pinanggang dakbayan. We celebrate all our blessings and success as a progressive city. Saulog, Tagbilaran. Sa mga kausap, welcome sa tanan and enjoy the Saulog festivities. Viva Senior San Jose! Daghang salamat, Asensio Pamor, Tagbilaran City.